Welcome to Behind the Sunshine, the behind the scenes look at our video, Mr. Sunshine's Blanket Party. I'm Sean, I'm here with Aaron, say hi. Ezra.
I like that.
Then over here we have some behind the scenes footage of Cameron styling Mr. Sunshine's hair.
Hi.
Mr. Sunshine, say something to the camera. Don't look at it, just say something.
I think that should do it.
Mr. Sunshine!
No, just gotta let your hair dry.
Let's see, turn around. I'm a big fan of that, actually. Oh, hold on. Come out here, we need a full body shot of Mr. Sunshine. I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot.
I'm a man of duty.
Alright, so Graham, we need you.
Graham!
I'm
We're rolling.
Is the cat
We need to do the lines.
Should the cat get Should I open the door too?
Yeah.
The light though.
Oh no, the cat.
No, don't right now.
Okay. The light will get ruined.
Yeah.
That's alright.
And the cat's in the shot.
The cat's not in the shot. The cat's over there.
Should we get
Shut
the cat?
No. Actually, better. Hold on, I'm sorry. Better idea. Keep the volume off, and if we want, we can fully it in later.
I can't turn it off all the way.
Really?
It only goes to a certain degree.
Well, how loud is it if it plays naturally?
Well, we could just turn it off.
Yeah, you don't need because it's not like yeah.
It's gonna be yeah or yay.
Yeah.
Alright, I did yay.
Yo, yeah.
It scared the black cat.
Good. It had it coming.
Ezra, this is your first video with us. What do you have to say?
Ooh, it's nice.
Hello!
Oh, Sean.
Honey!
Graham.
Everyone!
This back.
You know what my favorite?
I have a lot of trouble with the back.
No, the back looked really good until you touched it. Look up, as soon as you hear sound, look right up.
Yeah.
Let's look at me.
Yeah.
That's what we did.
Okay.
Why don't we look at Brian?
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Look at his crotch.
Hey guys.
Look at his crotch.
Quiet on the set.
Say hi to the camera, Mr. Hairstylist.
Hi, I'm Cam from Tentative Title, and we're chilling.
That's a good name. That's a good band name.
It's a terrible name actually, because I feel like there's like
Yo.
it's another one of those things where someone was like, "Hey, we
It's
should call ourselves
Sunshine.
For the Win." They're like, "Yeah, it's a cool name." Then
You
you go
heard
on
of this
Facebook,
band
and
called
everyone's
Gorilla Airplane?
Yeah.
Should be our name.
Gorilla Airplane Studios.
Really?
I actually really enjoy that.
Go with Gorilla.
Really?
But I also
Are you
really
guys
like-
making another YouTube channel?
Yeah.
because we're singing the name too for the show.
Yeah.
Stay in your spots quick for a second though.
I'll stay in my spots all day
And then I want a close up for the yes. I think like it's a little more like
Personal.
yeah.
You get to feel the connection.
You totally do.
Totally feel the excitement.
You understand what we were really going through at the time when Mr. Sunshine entered the room.
Hey yes.
Documenting your life.
Pretend
like I'm not here.
Pretending like you're not
What is the
here.
great-
I'm like I'm not here.
Like I
You don't
always
know.
do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to see our screenplay? Here's our.
Can't talk to me. I'm not here.
I'm talking
Show
to Sean.
someone else, yeah.
Sean, want to see our
course.
screenplay? It's not even. It's just like.
Not even-
No, show him.
It's not even proper. It's
Show-
just-
You're the
I
worst.
just wrote down lines.
Oh, you got to the second
Document
page?
his life.
Yeah.
Right.
Rolling and action.
Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hi, kids.
Oh shit, sorry.
Hi, kids. Hi, kids.
Mr. Sunshine?
Who's ready for a blanket party? Yeah.
I mean, like,
Hold on. We can try. Let me look at the shot again. Alright, can you see it at all, Graham?
Yeah, I can see it pretty clearly. I have good eyesight.
it's like a
What
hawk.
are we talking about? He's gonna punch himself now.
The only problem is the window, but it's excusable because I don't care. Like, I'm not good enough at film yet to figure out how to fix that. So we're gonna deal with
Turn
that.
off the sun.
We tried that.
The only thing we could do is if we put a blanket over it. and
Let's
it
not
would-
even do that, that's just awful.
That
Yeah.
would look tacky.
Donna, can you close the closet for us? With Graham inside.
Wait. He's got
Yeah,
it.
Graham's gonna.
Be our eyes.
Okay.
How's my head?
I can't.
But
I forgot to flip it again.
Damn it.
It's gonna be really funny. Is we're gonna look back, and when I said "How's my head," it's gonna be in the perfect spot. Like that'd be hilarious.
I would laugh so hard.
Alright. Oh, actually, I can kind of see. That looks good, right?
Yeah, that looks good.
Alright,
Everyone's head is in the shot now.
Alright, awesome. So get in the closet, then Donna will have to close the door.
Mom,
You want me to come there now?
Yes,
yeah,
please.
close the door.
No, Graham can't. Graham did it. Never mind.
No, we need to have a click.
Yeah, we need to
Pull it. Pull on the handle, Graham. There's a little knob.
It's not gonna work.
We can do it.
Here, I'll close it.
Thanks, Donna.
You're the best, Donna.
Did you just call your mom by her name?
No, Aaron didn't say a thing.
Do you want these shoes here?
Yeah.
That's fine.
There we go.
Thank you.
Do you want to? Can you open it, honey?
Yeah,
you
don't
can.
worry.
Oh, we can open it.
Don't worry.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
Alright, excited, so play video games.
All right, and action.
Hey kids! Mr. Sunshine! Who's ready for a blanket party? Yeah!
Let's see this.
I just like how
Oh my god!
It's literally like this.
Oh, this is gonna be great. Aaron,
Hey, bro.
do you like the name Gorilla Airplane for our film company?
I like to name Found the Jackpot.
yeah. All aboard!
That was golden.
All aboard! Zip, zap. You weren't.
Okay.
I'm looking at it. Oh, am I gonna position the camera?
Well, no, you're just gonna make sure it's fine. I saw what you were doing, big guy.
See, I told you.
All
it's-
right. 1, 2.
PO Box 174.
It's
Say your line.
I don't know.
Oh, I'm saying my line.
It's
What's
and
going
action followed
And-
by your line.
Wait, rolling and action.
Hey kids!
No,
Oh,
not that line.
Just from
Toot toot.
from all aboard. Toot,
Oh.
toot. Say toot toot to make it easier.
Alright.
Are we saying anything or just getting up?
No,
We're gonna look at each other and then go, yeah, and then we're all gonna
Again?
like.
Did we just say?
Yeah, we are.
But
Yeah, we just said yeah.
We say yeah a lot. That's like our thing.
Oh yeah.
Say
yeah.
hooray.
Or like I guess we
Hurrah!
Like,
No,
you
hurray's
know,
too
have a
much.
better-
Yeah,
No, I think we'll just do it. Yeah.
fine.
Because the little kids are just like, yeah.
Unless we
Just-
could- or maybe we could all say okay.
I like okay.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to be feeling?
Like.
Okay, like you're.
Like
let's
you're-
go on a
like,
trip with
let's-
Mr.
let's-
Sunshine.
Okay.
I just wanna feel okay.
No, like just like okay.
Do your line, Graham. Let's just go with it.
Okay. Yeah.
All
Be over
aboard.
there so we know we're looking at you and no one is dumb about it.
Nope.
Is it
No,
recording?
door. Because we
Recording?
filmed
Yeah,
when we
this
first
is-
did this,
it's
you were
all
coming out
good.
the door.
Okay.
This whole mess.
Alright.
Okay, Brad.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All aboard. Toot toot.
Hold on, I
Alright,
wanted to hear the
Okay.
No, I'm just saying it. I'm
Do
saying
the emotion.
Fine,
All
you
right,
can do
let's
the
go,
emotion.
Yeah, you
guys.
gotta
Come
go.
on.
Okay.
Alright, let's go outside. Let's not even review it.
Really? Who
cares, man?
That's a great.
Set change number 1 for Behind the Sunshine. And we are at Neff's Park, an old scene for Cameron and I. Ezra's peeing over there. Let's see if I can zoom in.
He's an animal.
There's Ezra. He's taking a piss. Aaron, you ready for this?
Ready?
You ready for this?
You ready? I'm ready.
All right.
Ready?
So this is gonna be the exit of the Mr. Sunshine Dream Portal.
You ready? I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready.
All right, I'm gonna get ready to go down this.
Yo, Sean, Tony.
What's up?
Aaron, go get to the top of the slide.
Let me tell you all about the planets.
Who wants to know all about the planets? All right, let's go.
Okay, that wasn't intentional at all.
No.
Perfect.
Let's watch this. Let's watch this.
I ate. Who wants to know all about the planets?
I want to know all about the planets.
Mercury and Venus and Earth and Mars.
Yeah, there is.
Hit Jupiter. Gone too far.
Yeah, take off your jacket.
Oh yeah, crap.
Take off your pants and jacket.
No pants, just
Take
jackets. Woo!
I was smart because I wore this to begin with.
Yeah, you're really smart, Aaron. You're the smartest guy I know.
Contingency.
Do you hear Ezra crying?
This thing sucks.
That's what I got up here.
Don't tell me what to do, Graham.
Ezra, there's stairs over
I
here.
can't figure it out.
Ezra, just let go.
No.
There's stairs.
He's good, he's good.
He's gonna die.
Alright, so I might.
Go back up the slide.
No, sit. Sit, boy, sit. Good boy.
Where'd the hammer go? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. Where'd it go?
Right here. Found it.
We did too good of a job concealing it.
Was it there before?
Don't know, because then it's obvious.
Alright. Graham, keep your eyes on the prize. So, Graham, keep your eyes on the prize. Okay. No, eyes on the prize, Graham.
Prize
Keep
on
walking
your
back.
eye.
Walking back. Okay. Got it?
Well, here we are.
Okay, cool.
So I totally ran into him without moving. Like,
Let's see it.
yeah.
They made me bump into camera.
Perfection.
What? What are you gonna do?
Throw him like a frisbee.
Really?
3, 2, here we are. What? No, you have to. Rolling! Action! Okay. And I say, here we are!
Hey, Brad.
Hey, Ezra, check it out. What's up, Graham?
That should do it.
Yeah, I'm not.
Did that look natural?
No!
Did it look?
I think it might have been a little too quick. Like,
Was it?
Hey, Brad.
Not yet.
I wasn't cordin.
my tuition gear.
Get your tuition gear. What?
Get my tuition gear. What?
Get your tuition gear. What? Get your tuition gear. What?
We're wasting
Drop
time.
it.
Rolling and
Action.
action.
Brad, you suck.
Please pick me, Mr. Oh my God.
Do it
I'll
louder.
do it.
Ezra,
I
louder.
have no need for the face.
All right, quiet on the set.
Loud.
Rolling and action.
Please pick me, Mr. Sunshine.
No, I'll do it.
Rolling
I don't
and
want to fall.
action.
I'm not falling.
Come on.
Ezra, trust me.
You can
You put your hands up.
protect your face.
Okay, move forward.
Yeah.
Actually, it's better that way.
Ready?
Yep. One more time.
We said
Oh,
protect
my
your
neck.
face. I saw your head
Yeah.
snap
Yeah,
back.
my neck hurts.
It's a shame because that was a
That was a good one, though.
yeah, but you're out of frame. That was the problem.
No! Are we upside down right now?
No. It's all relative.
Action.
Well, aren't you an eager beaver?
All right,
You forgot your line, didn't you?
we're gonna do another. Yeah, Aaron, you gotta say something. You can either say.
That's my name, don't wear it out.
You got 3 choices. You got yeah, whatever, or that's my name, don't wear it out, or that's what they're calling me. Something along the lines of that. You can roll with
Hold
it.
on.
Like that's what they're calling me, or
Got that right.
yeah, that right. Like something, you know what I mean?
Not the first time I heard that.
Don't talk like
It does. Yeah.
Definitely talk like that.
Aren't you an eager beaver?
That's what they call me. Don't wear it out.
Time to travel through time. Now I'm in the future. I'm so far in the future.
And then
Okay, did you guys remember your blankets?
Something's wrong with the camera. It's like clipping.
Is it cordin?
yeah,
It's cordin. Is it cordin?
You talked too fast after.
Oh,
so-
so
Little shit.
Okay.
let's do it.
Is it cordin?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good.
Is it cordin?
Oh, we already have our blankets up?
Yeah.
Aaron, you're out of the. You got cut off.
He went too far.
He went too far.
Afraid of that. All right, redo. Aaron, redo. Redo.
Yeah.
Let me make sure.
Everything's purple.
All right.
Life is sweet.
I'm pregnant.
Hey, just put it over Cameron in the camera.
Wait, come on, stay. Come on. Stop. Stop.
Leave the shot.
And seriously, you can't move.
Can you breathe?
Oh, this is a shot?
And action.
I totally just got that.
You have to put it over the camera.
Oh, over the camera.
Here are your weapons.
Wait, pause.
Oh my God, Ezra.
No, I didn't even realize my leg was up.
Oh, okay.
Thanks, Ezra.
Thanks, Ezra. And action.
Action.
Pick your weapons.
Change it to here.
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah.
No, here, as in like here are your
here.
weapons.
The baseball bat's my favorite.
That's golden. His face. He made his face.
And action.
Graham, wait.
What?
Swing down, don't swing side.
Yeah, it's you know.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
swinging.
And action.
Oh shit.
Rolling and action.
Action.
Make sure that's
Action.
And are we still good? Perfect?
Sure.
Guys.